talked to your daughter and she said she had mumps and that's the reason why she couldn't come out.
Can I shed some light on this?
Sure,
because my cousins were there at that
event,
alleged function which you're saying.
Absolutely.
My cousin sisters, I spoke to them after all this happened. I said, what happened? They said they were invited by Mr. Siddiqui, that it was an iftar party. They were invited for breaking of the fast.
But he was going there to,
wait a minute. This is what the Siddiqui family told their cousins.
We wouldn't go to an iftar party of someone unconnected.
No. I'm talking about Mr. Siddiqui's cousins.
Absolutely.
They were invited by Mr. Siddiqui to their house for an iftar party. They went there. And at the iftar, Mr. Malik walked in with his cricketers and Mr. Siddiqui introduced them. He said, this is the famous Pakistani cricketer, Mr. Shoaib Malik. Shoaib Malik, right? And there was no mention of any nikah or even the whole family was not even informed about anything.
I want to just tell you there, I'll run that clip there. There was talk of the nikah. There was talk.
At least
no. Mr. Siddiqui openly spoke about it. He was asked, he said there's going to be a wedding, it's going to be Taj Krishna. Yes.
Arnab.
Yes, Wajad.
Arnab, just wanted to say that this is also a case, like, think about it yourself as a journalist, right? This is a case of reliable sources. Now, you've been in the field for almost half of your life, more than that, right? Think about the following. Here are two people who are on board every day. They're facing the cameras. They're talking to the press. Their family member is on your show right now. They've been in communication constantly, right? And they've tried to present everything as is. Versus the Siddiqui clan, versus the Siddiqui family, which has come up with nothing but allegations, and thus, boiling down, think of yourself as a professional journalist, who's the more reliable resource?
My question is...
Who's the more reliable source?
So Mike, I have
standing there,
one
facing
question.
the camera, asking the questions and answering the questions.
Yeah.
No, I think we have to think about this. We have to put our thinking caps on.
I take that point, but for every such argument, there's another argument, such as why did Shoaib Malik, who said on February 6, 2008, that this family has defamed me and I'm going to come and divorce this girl, 2 years and 1 month later, till this matter exploded, he did nothing. I mean, if he was being defamed, why did you do nothing for 25 months?
And the girl did nothing for two years as well.
The girl also did nothing.
So look at the timing. Look at the timing. And even for Shoaib to say what he's saying, I mean, he's tripping over his words, and every factoid that he comes up with can be challenged. Okay. And either he's really that dumb or he's that smart. I'm really not sure. I think they're making idiots of us all, frankly.
I don't know.
I wouldn't be surprised if they're secretly married already, and they'll be presenting us with a fait accompli.
As I've said,
they are not married, ma'am, right now.
But that is.
I am saying it. I mean, you want me to? I'm telling it on camera.
It can happen tomorrow. It can happen.
They are not married now.
It can happen before the 15th of April. I'm not talking about tonight.
I'm
just saying they could be secretly married.
As of now.
Can I run the clip? I'm running the clip right now.
They are not married now.
No, I'm running another. I'm running the clip of what happened.
I'm talking of Sania, please.
No, I'm not confusing. This is 2005.
Sure, go ahead.
Pakistani girl.
That's all. Any chance of allowing couple photographs tomorrow?
No, because my daughter is in United States right now. She's in New York. She'll come back.
Who asked me?
Yes, she will come back. When?
I spoke to her some time ago.
Where she was?
She said she has mums and that she's not well.
No. She's maybe her sister because she's the doctor. Yes.
How does she look? Like?
She is beautiful, very intelligent. Very intelligent girl. No doubt. Yeah, she's my daughter. I can't say that. Very. Like any other Indian. Later on, tomorrow or day after. Tomorrow after 5. Definitely. Because I got a couple of...
The wife is
I got a couple of interviews tomorrow.
Right.
So tomorrow at 5, most probably, because tomorrow I have to see the CM also. No. Most probably, and Mr. Shandhi Ravi. Let them call you. You just give me the call, or you give me your card.
Family picture or something.
Not right now. Just give me your card. I will let you know, definitely. That will be my entire pleasure.
As for the plans of the couple, I mean, when is the Vidai? What
will be in August.
August.
Yes.
After that,
when are you formally planning to announce?
Most probably in August. August at Taj Krishna.
In Hyderabad? How are you going to... Would you announce the marriage?
Oh, yes, definitely. It was a totally private party. It's just hardly about 25 or 30 people, that's all. At the time, we'll have more than 1,000 because, you know, most of my friends, relatives, and his relatives also. So that's why we have to celebrate after all the wedding. We don't want to hide anything.
Does that tell you something?